What I want to do is I want to just review a couple problems that have absolute values in them. And then I'm going to give you another opportunity to practice. I want you to understand that tomorrow you're going to have a graded assignment that we're doing in class. And then Tuesday is our test over integers, fractions, and order of operations. Okay? All right. So I am going to write PEMDAS over here. Okay. Do you see any parentheses?
No.
Technically, I don't see parentheses. Okay. Yep, that pink over there. But when there's an absolute value is what we consider one of our grouping symbols. And remember, we talked about P could be G for grouping. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to evaluate the absolute value, which is what? The absolute value of negative 18 is 18. Now, there is subtraction in front of the absolute value, so that is still there. Okay? Okay, so we have done our grouping in parentheses. Do we have any exponents? You betcha, right here. Okay. 9 squared, what does that mean? That means 9 times 9, which is 81. Okay, something that I'm noticing. You know PEMDAS, but then you get to this point and you're like, hey, left to right. Why is that wrong? What do we gotta do?
Because there's a division symbol between 28 and
Okay. Division and multiplication are left to right. Addition and subtraction are left to right, but they're not all at the same time. Okay? So we have to look at multiplication and division first. And we see that there's division. The division has to come first, you guys. It has to. What is 28 divided by 4? What'd you say? Say it louder. 7. We still have minus 18 after it. We still have 81 plus before it. Now we have our addition subtraction from left to right. So we can go from left to right. 81 plus 7 is 88. Then we can say 88 minus 18 is what? 70? I think it's 70. Yeah, because if we take 88 minus 18, 0. Okay. Some of you are getting intimidated by the complexity of the problem. Write PEMADAS. Go one at a time, one step at a time. Don't try to do too much at once. Okay? All right. Okay. Let's do this problem right here. So number 7, next page. Okay. So I'm going to write PEMDAS. Okay. Okay, do we have parentheses? You betcha we do. We have parentheses right here. 9 minus 2 is 7. Since there's a square, I'm going to keep the parentheses there. But we've done inside the parentheses, and that's fine. Is that the only parentheses or grouping we have? No, because we have this grouping right here. What is 3 minus 17? We have negative 14 inside the absolute value. So it's going to become what? 14. So we have 7 squared minus 14 plus 4. Now we can move to our exponents. 7 squared is what? Okay, 7 squared means 7 times 7, which Ellie has said is 49. Red agrees, I hear. Okay. Okay, do we have any multiplication or division? Bummer. You're not sad about it, I don't think so. Addition, subtraction. Let's make sure we're going from left to right. 49 minus 14. What is that? 35? And now we have 35 plus 4. 39. Good. Okay, now I'm not going to do this problem right here, but what I want you to understand when there's a big fraction, I want you to understand that you basically have 2 problems inside of each other. You need to do this problem right here to get a number, divided by you need to do this problem right here to get a number. Then you can perform the division if you can. Okay? So, again,